Hey guys, this video is specially for people who have long hair like me and who have difficulty sleeping with their long hair. So if you are a long hair guy, then keep watching the video. And if you are new to this channel, see that you subscribe, and it is going to be a very interesting video guys. So see that you like the video now only and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's jump into it. Guys, before we get to the sleeping part, there are 3 things that you will have to do before you hit the bed. Number 1, have head bath at least 2 times a week. Guys, let me remind you that if you have not had head bath for a week or so, and if you've been sweating a lot in the past 7 days, then it's better you go and have head bath first. Guys, when you sweat, that sweat dries up on your head itself. Too much sweat mixed with your hair will make your hair coarse and tangled. So the first thing, have head bath at least 2 times a week and divide the gap evenly. Number 2, guys, just having head bath 2 times a week is not enough provided you use the right hair products. Just imagine that you use a shampoo but you neglect using a conditioner. When you do that, it is obvious that your hair will get tangled and rough once you are done having bath. So see that you add conditioner to your routine. If you guys want to know what products I use while having bath, then see that you comment below and let me know, and I will try to make a video on that as well. Number 3. Now let's assume that you are having head bath 2 times a week and you are using the right hair products. So the last thing that you will have to do before you hit the bed is comb your hair. Now if you have used the right conditioner, you will have absolutely no problem in combing your hair because your hair will not get tangled that much. While combing your hair, you can use serums to detangle your hair and to retain moisture in your hair. Now guys, once you are done doing all of that, now it's time to hit the bed. So how should we keep our hair while we are sleeping? Should we tie them? Should we leave them just like that? These are some of the major questions which people have. Because when they wake up with their hair full of mess. The thing here is one technique will not work for all. I will show you 4 ways to keep your hair while you are sleeping. But I have no idea which one will work for you. So once you are done watching this video, try all of them and see which one works for you the best. Also, I will tell you guys which one works for me, but that I have kept in the end of the video. So keep watching and don't skip. Okay, so let's dive in to the first one. And the first one is put a top head bun. Guys, when you put a top head bun, your hair stays intact. You can roll, change sides or do whatever. Now this style works for many, but it doesn't work for me. Because if I keep the bun on for too long, my head starts paining. But not all are the same. If this style works for you, then do let me know in the comments below. Another very important thing guys, when you are tying your hair, see that you use the right hair ties. I've been doing some research on this recently, and after using a lot of wrong products, finally I found these scrunchies which are easily available on Amazon. Now I've been using them for quite a while now and they work like charm guys. If you want to buy these hair ties or scrunchies, then I will put a link of them in the description below. You can go there and check them out as well. And any product that I talk about in this video, I will try to put a link of all of them in the description. You can later go there and check all those products out. Those are all affiliate links, and if you buy from my affiliate links, then I will get a small percentage on whatever you buy. That can help me to grow my channel as well. Don't use those cheap hair ties guys which you get at the local fair. Many people do this mistake. Even I have done this mistake in the past. But then I realized that they break your hair and mess up your hair. Moving on to the second style. And the second style is wear a cap. On the internet you can find ton of sleeping caps that you can use while you are sleeping. Again, this cap technique works for many, but it doesn't work for me. Because when I wear this cap, my head sweat a lot and my hair get more rough and coarse. And besides that, I don't like anything on my head when I'm sleeping. Now if you guys are sleeping in the air conditioning room, then it can help you guys. But when you're using a cap, see that you use the right kind. See that the cap has a satin lining on the inner side, or the entire cap should be made of satin. Again, check links in the description. Number 3, not tying your hair while you are sleeping. So the third technique is you don't have to tie your hair at all. Just leave them on the pillow like this and you are good to go. Again, this technique works for many, but it doesn't work for me. Because when I'm sleeping, I put the fan on, and when I put the fan on, my hands are blowing all over. They come on my face, they go in my eyes, they go in my mouth, and it is irritating guys. And again guys, if your room has an air conditioner and if you don't put on the fan along with the air conditioner, and if there is not much air movement in the room, and if the air conditioner is not blowing directly on your face, then it can work. Do let me know in the comments below if you guys have been using this technique. Number 4, and this is the technique which I use all the time, every day of my life. and which works for me. What I do is I take the same crunches and I take 2 turns like this. I then leave the hair on the pillow like this and I feel very comfortable. My hair is not blowing because of the fan or not going in my mouth, or there is not any heavy burden on my head as well. And by the time you wake up in the morning, your hair will become loose, but it is fine because your scrunchies will keep them intact if you have done all the techniques which I have told you before you hit the bed. This works for me, guys. What I recommend is use all of them and see which one works for you. And if you guys are interested in more long hair videos like this, then do let me know in the comment section below. And guys, if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. You will find all the product links in the description below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye and take care.